Welcome to this honest review of Email Hippo, a website designed to help businesses keep their email lists clean and verified. Email Hippo is known for its simple yet effective email verification services. If you manage email campaigns or send bulk emails, you know how important it is to maintain a high-quality list. Email Hippo ensures your emails only go to valid and safe addresses, reducing bounce rates and improving your email reputation. One of the standout features of Email Hippo is its email verification tool. It checks each email address for deliverability, ensuring that invalid, risky, or disposable addresses are removed. This reduces the chances of your emails being marked as spam or bouncing back. The service also offers detailed reports on each verification, which can help you improve your marketing strategy. Another great feature is the bulk email verification, which allows you to upload and clean large email lists quickly. This is particularly useful for businesses with extensive customer databases. Plus, Email Hippo supports real-time API integration, so businesses can automatically verify emails as they collect them. However, while Email Hippo is highly effective at what it does have some limitations. For instance, the free plan only allows a limited number of verifications per month, and additional verifications require a paid plan. The pricing may not be ideal for small businesses with tight budgets. Some users have also mentioned that the platform's interface can feel a bit clunky and is not as intuitive as some other email verification services. In terms of pricing, Email Hippo offers a few different plans based on the number of verifications needed. The plans are affordable, starting from a basic option for smaller businesses and going up to more extensive packages for larger enterprises. In the middle of your email list management journey, consider using Clean Email for even better inbox organization and efficiency. Clean Email helps you manage your inbox by cleaning up unnecessary emails and creating automation rules, making it easier to stay on top of your email management. Follow the link in the description to try it out. It's the best email manager. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth reviews of online services. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.